Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube Shorts with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and start a new video project. Since YouTube Shorts are designed for vertical viewing, choose a suitable vertical video format if it is available in your HeyGen project. Next, prepare a short and engaging script. Keep your introduction quick and focus on one clear topic so viewers can understand the message easily. Choose an AI avatar that fits your content and select a natural AI voice. Make sure the voice matches the language and style of your audience. Now customize the video by adding a suitable background, text, captions, images, or other visual elements. Keep important information large and easy to read on a mobile screen. You can also divide the video into short scenes to make the presentation more dynamic and easier to follow. Before generating the video, preview the complete short. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, captions, and overall layout. If anything needs improvement, edit the project and preview it again until everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied with the result, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to finish processing it.